Kia ora guys, Adam Goodwillie here. Today we're going to go over how to remove anything out of a photo. So the other day I was at Lake Minnewanka doing an ice hockey video that's going to be coming out later on. It's just a little project of mine, and taking some photos for them, and in the background Lake Minnewanka is just frozen over, so everyone found out about it and everyone's gone there and just skating up, which is cool. But then sometimes you just don't want anyone in your photos, so I'm going to show you how to get rid of them, because they're just going to be like, get the out of here. You know, get the out of here. I'll show you this. So right here I've got Tommy. So he's looking very handsome just there in his hockey gear. But right in the background I've got all the people that are at Lake Minnewanka that day. So I've already edited the way I want it to, so the photo's got to come like that, but I want to get rid of them. So what first off I'm going to do is take a right click. I'm going to go into edit and go edit in Photoshop. Now that we've loaded up in here, what I'm going to do is take my background, give it a new layer. Now there's a couple of ways. So if you want, you can use your clone stamp up here, or you can push S. Now I'll bring this down. You can hold Option next to wherever you want to clone. You can go over that person. Couple of clicks, it's pretty much gone. That's one way you could do it. Another way is there's a lasso. The lasso tool, just push L. Now this one here is the most fastest way you could do it. I'll bring this over here. Whoops, too far. So you just have to circle that person, right click, fill, content aware, 100%, done. He's gone. So I'm just gonna go take my time, take out all this. Now if you are doing this, just do it in small portions. It works the best when in small portions. Say if I want to take out this whole area here, so I go over that, fill, continue aware, and see it's just going to look ugly, so it just starts taking the trees and whatnot. Another way to avoid this, and if you just don't want to, you can go Control Z. If you want to, I'll use my Ronin as an example. So my Ronin down here I want to take out. Now you can also go to Edit, Content Aware Fill, and what this is going to bring up is this is what it's going to be taking out of. So it's going to try replica this here with that. So if you don't want any of this background stuff up here, you can just go cancel, like minus there, up the corner, take it down. Don't want any of them in there. Don't want his hockey stick, don't want his hand, don't want his feet. And you can plus, you can make this bigger, and just go over here, which can take out, you're just replacing, you're just pretty much replacing any of that. So it's pretty like what's gonna look like over here. Just go okay. That's not too bad at all. I'll be happy with that, no one could really notice. If you really need to, you can just crop it, push C, crop it out, but that's not the point of this. So we'll just go back to the lasso tool and just start taking out people. Right click, fill, content aware, enter. Whoops. Okay, click around the background, boom boom. So you can just see before, after, so you can see what I've taken out. So that's a nice easy way to get people out of your photo. I hope this has helped. Let me know in the comments. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. I've got a few more videos about to come out. I've got some goals this year that I want to smash out. So one is getting a video out every week. If it helps you, let me know. Hit that like, hit subscribe. It does help. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.